Encouraged by the advertised advantages, we bought ourselves one of the so-called air fryers. Like any pair of newbies, we tried to gather some information about these appliances before daring to turn it on for the first time. Since we were used to the microwave oven, the first thing for us to know was that an air fryer does not produce any radiation, but heat, the same kind of heat as that produced by a gas oven or a wood oven. We were not supposed to use plastic containers or paper bags for heating or cooking, as they can melt and even catch fire. The cooking takes longer than using a normal microwave oven. You have to practice a little with the different options of the controls, depending on the amount of food to cook, the degree of cooking you want, etc. You have a timer to set the cooking time, and the appliance will turn itself off. The maximum internal temperature is 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable with a manual control. The fryer that we bought is relatively large. The rated capacity and volume is 25 liters, 53 US pints, although you can choose from a variety of sizes. The advantage of air fryers is that they practically do not require the use of any oil for cooking, so they reduce your cholesterol intake. The disadvantages are just a few, but it is better not to overlook them. Due to their slow operation, they are not suitable for special events or large gatherings. Immediately after using it, you must carefully clean the grills, trays and griddles the appliance includes, since, if this is not done, the fryer will become impregnated with malodorous and unhealthy substances. The cleaning process is a bit cumbersome. It is advisable not to use strong or alkaline detergents, nor scouring pads, as they can damage the accessories. The fryer controls are as follows. Temperature. This control can be in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on the country of purchase. Function selector. Here you select the operation to perform: heat, roast, toast, bake and fry. Fan speed control. Low, medium or high. Depends on your experience and recipe. If speed is set to high, it can dry out the food quite a bit. The first try we did was to toast 6 slices of bread. They came out a bit too black, but quite acceptable. It took longer than doing it in a normal toaster. Being already more confident, we roasted about a pound of chops, which turned out just right, adjusting the controls like this. Temperature, 160 degrees. Function, to try it out, we set it to the fry position. The speed of the fan was set to medium. Time, 35 minutes. We put the chops on a small griddle which comes with the appliance, having placed the crumbs tray below it, just to prevent the fat from dripping on the heating elements. The grilled chops came out quite good and tasty. We will keep trying different dishes, and we will share the recipes on this same channel. We hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Shava Tareen.